If you guys want to get into this ATM business, you have to focus on signage and you have to focus on marketing your ATM machine, because it can actually turn a bad location into a good location, and that can be, the difference of a few $100s per month. So you guys have to focus on ATM signs. Now I know they can, get confusing and they can get pricey, especially if they're outdoor ATM signs. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a waterproof outdoor ATM sign like this one right here. I'm going to be showing you guys that right now, coming right up. So the items you'll need are Sharpie, tape measure, sheet steel, angled steel, an aluminum square, a welding helmet, welding holders, the 90-degree ones, a welder, as well as black spray paint, primer, white spray paint, frosted glass spray paint, heavy-duty adhesive, clear adhesive, cable connectors, LED lights, plexiglass, blue tape baby, saw, drill, angle grinder, and last but not least, wooden letters. And I'll leave links for everything down in the description below. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is take these steel angles and cut them at a 45-degree angle, so that way you have 8 pieces, and there's 2 different lengths here. I'm going to leave the different dimensions on the screen right here. But next thing you want to do is actually, you see these sharp edges? You want to grind those down so it's flush. Next thing you want to do is actually weld this frame together. The welds are a little ugly, so you have to grind them down a little bit so they're flush. So this is what we have so far. I got the plexiglass in there. I have the frame put together. And I have my letters here, but they're not ready yet. So you can kind of see through the middle. So you have to take a piece of wood and you have to put that adhesive so you make a barrier in between. And now we're going to spray paint it. We're going to hit it with the primer first. So this is what we have so far. Now we're going to take some black spray paint. We're going to spray paint our letters. Now we're going to hit the plexiglass with this frosted glass. We're going to spray paint it so that way we have a nice even coat, and that's going to give it a frosty color. Now we have to drill some holes on the side of our frame, and we're going to stick these connectors right down in there. That way we can feed the electrical wires through it. Make sure you go in the inside and actually tighten it up, and make sure it's nice and secure so that way we have a nice waterproof seal. So now we're actually going to take our cables and we're going to run them through from the inside, and we're going to pull it up. And once we get it through, make sure you actually tighten the little screw down, and that's going to give it that nice waterproof seal. So this is the electrical so far. So you see I got the power brick, I have the sensors, and I have the LED wires wrapped all the way around there, so that way we have a nice even light coming in through the inside to our sign. Now I got that blue tape baby, and all we're gonna do is we're going to tape the entire frosted part so that way it looks like this. Now we're gonna hit it with some primer, and you want to make sure you put that primer on. Now we're gonna get that black spray paint. Spray paint this thing nice and black. Make sure you get an even coat all the way around. Make sure you don't have drips. And once it's dry, peel off that tape. And this is the almost final product here. Now we have to take that clear adhesive and stick it right on our black letters. And you want to use a clear adhesive so that way you don't have anything that looks out of place if you do get some seep through. So flip it over and stick that baby on and let it dry. And this is the final product, guys. If you guys seriously want to start this ATM business, go ahead and check out my free ebook. It's going to be linked right over here or right over here. I don't know which side it's on. It's going to be linked right there, as well as a video that I need you guys to watch before you start an ATM business. So go ahead and click on that, and I'll see you guys there. Peace.